Hello, I'm Kit Allowitz and a member of the pcX team here at Anderson Hauser. Welcome back to an additional Preeminent Customer Experience pcX Huddle series. As our journey towards a repeatable, reliable, sustainable, predictable, world-class customer experience has evolved, we have taken the next step along the journey in making our 4 pcX behavioral standards, those are ownership, courtesy, accuracy, and timely, personal to each of us by creating what we're calling I statements. An I statement is a personal, action-oriented, true north, non-negotiable standard giving specific, actionable direction to you and I in providing a fantastic customer experience every single time. The I statements you will be introduced to and thus be invited to live every single day were created by a nice cross-section of all of us involved in the customer experience. By us, I mean a healthy cross-section of Anderson Hauser employees within various departments working cross-functionally, as well as getting input from our representative partners, and then lastly vetted by our customers. Now, may I tease you with just 4 of the pcX standards or pcX I statements. Here's one or 4 for your consumption. Number 1, I take full responsibility for the outcome of the customer interaction. Number 2, I recognize my behavior has an impact on others. Number 3, I achieve personal precision in everything with intention. And number 4, I establish, communicate, and deliver on clear expectations. These are just 4 of the 14 I statements. We have high certainty as the pcX team when we say, as you and I live and be and do each of these I statements, our customers will further confirm, remain confirmed, or receive confirmation that Anderson Hauser is the reliable partner to go with every single time to help them solve some of the world's biggest challenges. The I statements also provide a strong sense of how to be when mistakes or lack of a preeminent customer experience occurs, to provide you and I a sense of what true north is in order to provide a repeatable, reliable, sustainable, scalable, world-class customer experience every single time for our customers. There are 14 I statements that we will share in 14 short video snippets, along with a weekly 16-minute facilitated team huddle in the form of a guide to discuss that week's I statement, try to figure out how to incorporate it and institutionalize it into your own life. Each video and lesson will boldly state an I statement, breathing life into the statement as well as giving it legs for you and I to run with, internalize into our pcX repertoire, integrate into our pcX habits, and finally institutionalize into the bones of how you are, what you do, and who you are as a pcX agent for Anderson Hauser. I invite your team this week in your 16-minute pcX huddle to put your eyes on the 14 pcX I statements provided in your huddle guide. Consider this invitation. Join our cause to be the preeminent customer experience provider to our customers, such that they won't go elsewhere to receive world-class customer experience. I'm Kit Allowitz, and we'll see you next time.